You got a good kind of contrast. It's the one that I always use to compare, the US and kind of the, European manufacturing, and it's Boeing versus Airbus. So Boeing's plants are very integrated and they can do things at relatively low cost, especially after they merge with McDonnell Douglas. But they are, notorious, especially now, for their quality. So for things like, tooling being left in fuselages and things like that. Airbus is very good quality, but you've got to ship the parts across 19 different, countries that all have to agree on what is made where.
Yeah.
So there's ups and downs, and the downs are kind of very unique because they're things that are easily resolved, but we treat them as like, almost like givens. Like they'll, that's the downside of it. It's like, well, no, it's a side
Yep.
effect we can fix.